What's going on? This is Butterfield D.I., aka Uncle on the Sticks. Right now I'm out here in Sacramento. We just left Sacanime, me, Tahaya, Jazz, I about to say Pedro, Alberto,
Boy.
the gang, the usual suspects. Did you have a good time at the Sacanime?
Yeah, it was fun.
Bet. So I'm about to do unboxing. I bought a mystery box. I always look at these mystery boxes, I never buy them. But today, my daughter told me I should get it just for the experience. So it's the reason why I picked this particular box. Mostly everybody mystery stuff was just a brown paper bag with just written mystery box 35, whatever the price is on it. But they came like this. That's a W presentation. Presentation means a lot. Then that's the first reason. The second reason is because they only had a sign and it said that you're getting $100 worth of swag in this box that cost me $25. Supposed to be a figure, a mini figure, a t-shirt, keychain, something else. I don't know. So we're gonna look at this and we're gonna decide, is this $100 worth of swag? Not necessarily whether or not I like what's in the box, but do I feel like $100 worth of swag is in this box? So let's bust him open. Okay. At the top, a plush, that's what it was. Up top, that's a W right there.
Yeah.
What is it? Is it just a plush?
I think it's a llama.
It's like you put your feet in this. Look at that. It's got a little pouch. You put your feet in there,
Is that
G.
for Shaq?
You put both feet in.
Oh.
I'm assuming. I like it. I ain't gonna make no excuses about it. It's cool. It's cool. Let's see what else is here. Keychain. Naruto.
All right.
No, that's not a keychain. That's a magnet. I take that.
Blue Exorcist?
Never heard of it. You heard of it?
I never watched it, but I heard of it.
What size is this? A small? Medium? That's a medium? You like that?
I'll take it.
It's yours. So far, big llama feet thing, t-shirt that I don't know nothing about, but she likes it. So what's left? We got two figures left. A normal size figure and a mini figure.
Is it bad?
W.
Okay.
W figure. That's cool as hell. So then last but not least, that's Demon Slayer, right?
Yeah. I don't know who.
So overall, I feel like everything in here is legit.
Yeah.
I don't feel like.
You don't feel scammed?
No, I don't. Even though I can't off the top of my head remember, because I haven't watched Demon Slayer for a long time. I can't off the top of my head remember who this is, but it's cool. And I like this guy. It's all Demon Slayer stuff. And a llama. And a Naruto. It's cool. So, hi. Do you feel like $100 worth of swag?
Added up, definitely $100 worth.
Because this right here probably, at the con, they were selling these for 30 and up. I feel like maybe a little under.
Yeah, actually.
But this, I don't know what the price would be of something like this. I couldn't even tell you. But overall, I'm satisfied. I think it might be slightly under 100. 100 was a faithful estimate. But I'm happy with what was in my bag.
I think it was pretty good.
Yeah. Appreciate y'all tuning in, man. It's your boy, the Vidya, aka Uncle on the Sticks. We out here, cuz. Why did I say cuz? I'm from Atlanta.